Hi guys! Here's how you can edit any website using Inspect Element. Please note this is temporary. If you refresh or close the browser, it will be gone. Anyway, so let's try on our own website. Let me right click and click on Inspect. I'm using Chrome. Then go to Console. And all you need to do is type document.designMode is equal to on and enter. So now this is on. So now you can edit any text. Let me change things randomly. As you can see, it is working all good. So that's how you can make any changes to any part of the website. So please do give it a try. It will be fun to actually play around. Now if you want to turn this off, simply go to Inspect, Console and type the same command, document.designMode is equal to off and enter. Now it's off. Now you can't edit the website, but all the previous edits will stay how it is. So please do give it a try. Thank you very much.